Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel SonaMeraki. In today's video I'll show you my night skincare routine. I personally have sensitive skin, so especially during summers I get tanned a lot and I have uneven skin tone, hyperpigmentation and all those issues. So I use specific products for those problems in my night skincare routine, and I have been loving Korean skincare a lot recently. In this video I'll share all the products and all the ingredients in detailed manner so that you can actually understand how each and every ingredient works and you can choose your products accordingly. So without any further ado, let's get started. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Bell icon. Press the bell icon. I have already shared my morning skincare routine in another video, so if you haven't watched it, make sure you watch it, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box below and also in the cards. So please do check it out as well. As I've told in that video also, skincare is really important, at least the basic CTM. But in night time you can actually target whatever issues you have, because your skin actually repairs and rejuvenates itself during night time. So all the products can work better if they're used in the nighttime routine. And I usually like to use a similar brand or same brand for the toner, serum, moisturizer. It's not like I have not used. I have many times used different brands together and they have worked wonderfully. But if I can and if I have, I usually prefer to use the same brands together so that I feel they can work well with each other. So now let's get into the products individually. So the first step of a night skincare routine is definitely removing your makeup or your daytime routine. So first you have to clean your face, and if you have any makeup, like you have just applied kajal, lipstick, or if you have a full face of makeup, accordingly you can remove your makeup. There are so many methods and products that you can use to remove your makeup. I personally use a lot of different things. If I have a full face of makeup, I usually use either a wipe or a cleansing milk to remove it. Currently I am using the Himalaya cleansing milk if I have a full face of makeup. It's pretty affordably priced and it does the work pretty well. Now most of the days I don't apply foundation or any kind of base makeup for my face. I usually apply a little bit of kajal, some lipstick, and maybe I make my brows. So for that I don't use any kind of makeup remover. What I do is I just use some micellar water, take it on a cotton and wipe all those makeup products from the eyes and lips only. Currently I'm using this Oriflame micellar water. I've done a full review on it on my channel already. It's already live, so make sure you check it out. I'll leave a link to it in the description box and also in the cards right here. There is something called as double cleansing. If you are a heavy makeup user, if you use a lot of makeup on your face, then you can use a cleansing oil. You can massage your face with the oil and then rinse it off and then move on to the next step, which is a cleanser. So you are cleaning your face twice, oil and then the foaming cleanser. So that is also a very well-known method to deep clean your makeup if you're using heavy makeup on your face. So this step is definitely the most important step. Even if you don't do any skincare, at times I'm very tired in the night, so you can just use a good makeup wipe, makeup removing wipe, or a nice micellar water. The Oriflame one I showed is no rinse micellar water, so you can just remove your makeup and go to bed. It will hydrate your face as well and you need not rinse it off, because if you go to bed with your makeup on, it really harms your skin. It might lead to breakouts. It ages your skin very fast. So this is a step that you must not skip. Now moving on, after I remove the kajal and lipstick on day-to-day basis, or the entire makeup if I have makeup on, I move on to a cleanser. And for the night time I want something heavy duty, and what better than an activated charcoal one. So this is by Wow Skin Science. It's the activated charcoal face wash. It lifts off pollutants, toxins and dirt. Activated charcoal beads and tea tree oil beads are also there. It is suitable for all skin types, including acne prone skin. This is a no sulfate, no paraben product also, and it's a 100 ml size. This is not my first tube. I have already used 2 bottles of this. I love it. I discovered it in a box and I have been loving it since then. It has a gel-like consistency and it has black color beads in it, which are probably activated charcoal beads, and activated charcoal actually removes all traces of makeup, all the dirt and grime that's stuck inside your pores. It pulls them out and cleans your face really well. And this is something that doesn't even dry my face, so it's heavy duty, still it's pH balanced and does not dry my skin. It lathers very well, very little quantity is enough, has an amazing fragrance, so it's definitely one of my all-time favorite face washes. The next step is a toner, and for that I start with this Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. It is moisturizing skincare program which balances the pH level, deeply moisturizes and cleanses and soothes. It's a 180 ml huge bottle. It comes in a normal bottle packaging like this. It has a thick gel kind of consistency. Mostly all the toners I have used have a watery consistency, but this one is kind of thick, and this is very soothing and hydrating on my skin. I really like it. If you are someone who doesn't want to do a lot of skincare, even this can be a one-step toner cum moisturizer. So in the key ingredients, it has sodium hyaluronate, which is actually a salt form of hyaluronic acid, which is very famous. It actually is a humectant which attracts and holds onto water, which makes it an ultimate moisturizer. So this toner itself does a lot of moisturizing for your skin. Then it has beta glucan centella asiatica extract. Well, that is also really good. It has some antioxidant properties and it has lipidiol, so really good ingredients. You can just dab it onto your face. Don't wipe it using a cotton ball. I directly take it on my hands and then I dab it onto my face. It takes a couple of seconds to dry down, so I definitely love this toner. And as I told in my morning skincare routine, a toner is very important. If you want all your other skincare products like serums and moisturizers to work well, you need to tone your face after you cleanse your face. Then only the products can get into your pores and work well on your skin. So now moving on, since I am trying to work on my uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation, what better than a vitamin C serum? So I have here Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop, which has pure vitamin C essence, centella asiatica extracts, same ingredient that we had in the toner. It has antioxidant properties, and yuzu extracts and grapefruit extracts. Well, vitamin C in itself has a lot of benefits for your skin. It's good for uneven skin tone, it's good for your hyperpigmentation, it helps in skin brightening if your skin is tan due to sun exposure, it reverses the sun damage as well. It also has anti-aging properties. It helps in softening the fine lines and wrinkles that are existing, and also it increases the ability of skin to make collagen, which is very important for anti-aging. It's also anti-inflammatory, so if you have acne scars or any kind of scarring or redness, it's good for that. And it even improves your skin texture. So there are so many benefits. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has a dropper packaging, so I directly drop it onto my face and massage it. This has an oily consistency. It seems like lemon, squeezed lemon actually. So it's a bit sticky and greasy and oily initially, but it dries down after some time and it becomes normal, and I don't mind using such products in the night time. And this is one of the best vitamin C serums that you can get in market in India today. Then after that I move on to the moisturizer or mask. So this is again by Klairs, and this is their freshly juiced vitamin E mask. So it has vitamin E, which you know is very good moisturizer. It is also good for anti-aging. Then it has niacinamide. Niacinamide is nothing but vitamin B3. It helps in lightening your skin, repairs your skin, even helps in fine lines and wrinkles, skin texture, making your skin more even, and it actually repairs your skin. So this is a wonder ingredient. It helps your skin a lot. So this is there. And then it has adenosine, which is a skin restoring, skin soothing kind of agent. It is basically an anti-wrinkle agent. Then it has sodium hyaluronate as well, which I have already discussed while discussing the toner. It is a very good moisturizer. So this one has the coolest consistency. It is a jelly-like consistency, so it has some bounce to it. It comes with a spatula as well. and this is how the packaging is. And every time I open it, the upper layer becomes plain again. Amazing fragrance again. I love the fragrance of this one. It's so soothing. It's very lightweight. Even though it's thick, when you massage it onto your skin, it immediately becomes very lightweight and kind of like watery. You can massage your face a little bit and then dab it on for it to completely absorb into your skin. It's very hydrating and soothing and calming, very relaxing. It does feel like thick oil kind of thing after you apply it, so it's kind of a mask, but I don't mind it in the night time because it makes my skin so soft and supple the next day I wake up. It's really moisturized and hydrated, and it's definitely worth it. Then after that, I apply a lip balm. I slather on a lot of lip balm so that my lips are also well moisturized, so that they're ready for all the matte lipsticks the next day, because I always wear lipsticks during the daytime. Currently I'm using this Blissant one. It's the handcrafted body luxurious lip butter in the raspberry variant. It's again an amazing lip balm. I really love it. It has a great fragrance and it really moisturizes my lips a lot. Even a little quantity is more than enough. And it's not having that petroleum jelly. I like such lip balms. I've used different varieties of this same brand. I've loved their lip balms, other variants also. Now I also have an eye cream for night routine. So this is by O3 Plus and it's their eye circle cream. It says the eye circle cream has a 3-in-1 action that not only minimizes dark circles but also reduces puffiness and wrinkles around the eyes. So this is a 15-gram size. I don't use it every day, but sometimes if I feel that I have some dark circles or my eyes are getting puffy, especially during late nights, this is a cream-based product, so it is oily when you apply under your eyes. It is not completely absorbed. It seems like you have applied something, but I don't mind it during night time, as I said. So I have almost used it completely and I might repurchase it. Night time I try to use it as much as possible, but mostly my skincare in night time is really good. Like with all of these products, I really don't think my eyes need anything extra. But if you're someone who uses makeup frequently, especially people who use concealers under your eyes, I would suggest using an eye cream on an everyday basis, because you need that extra hydration under your eyes so that your makeup actually doesn't crease a lot and they don't hold on to the dry patches under your eyes or the lines under your eyes. You just need a tiny bit of it, apply it in circular motion. It's very easy, be gentle around your eyes. I already showed you all the products. I love them. I'm loving the skincare routine I'm on right now. My night skincare especially. It has been working very well on my skin. I'm someone who does not like spending a lot on skincare. I usually use the brands and the products I get in boxes. But this time I felt it was worth investing in these products. They are slightly expensive. They might be very affordable for some of you guys, but for many college going or housewives, this might feel a little expensive. But then it is definitely worth it. If you have issues like uneven skin tone or hyperpigmentation like I do, this product is going to work very well because the ingredients are so good. I told you everything in detail. I hope it helped you in understanding the products better. If you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me, and share it with all your friends and family so that they can actually understand the mechanism that goes behind these products, like how they can know which ingredient works how on their skin. All the details of these products along with the pricing and direct link to buy are mentioned in the description box below. So if you're interested in getting one of these products, definitely do check it out. If you have similar issues, then I'll definitely recommend having these products and trying them out. You will not be disappointed. So that was all for today's video. I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.